hindi ako nagmamadali na mag-yes sa akin si Janela. Kasi...
So, nagtanong ka na? Nagtanong ka na? Alam mo, ibig sabihin nun, pag ang isang lalaki hindi nagmamadali, ibig sabihin, mahal ka niya kasi wala siyang pakialam kung wala siyang makuha pabalik. Basta mapakita niya. Unconditional. Tama. True. Diba?
Like, when Janela says, I'm not ready to get into a relationship, you stop pursuing her, you relax, and then you go to other girls? What happens?
I didn't say that I would stop. I respect her, pero yung respect na yun, I mean, magbibigay lang ako ng space. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, titigil ko.
Stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask, but how would you feel if I told you I loved you?
Tawag mo kay Janela.
Tawag ko sa kanya, Kitty.
Kinikilig ka sa Kitty, totoo. Kinikilig siya. Kasi, wait, ibig sabihin naman, pag nag-iisip yung lalaki ng particular na tawag, terms of endearment sa'yo, ibig sabihin nun, very special ka talaga. Kaya nakakilig yun. Kasi ikaw lang tinatawag niyang Kitty.
Tell me that you love me too.
So yung last day namin, si Janela yung artista. Nagulat kami, ang layo ng namin location namin. Nagulat lang ako, nagsusunta kami bilang, nandito pala si Elmo. Kasi pumunta talaga siya, wala siyang eksena, wala siyang gagawin doon, pumunta lang siya doon, nag-stay siya ngayon tapos just to be there with Janela. So sabi ko, in fairness naman sa dalawa ko, yung bond nila, I mean, you have to appreciate it, na gano'n pala talaga sila ka-close as persons. Kasi kung fake relationship lang to, for the fans lang, ang dali mo kasi huwag ka na pumunta eh. Pero hindi talaga totoong they're there for each other.
How would you feel if I told you I loved you?
Janela, ano yung pinaka-sweet na naalala mong ginawa sa'yo ni Elmo?
Madami naman siya.
Ano nga yung pinaka-maaalala mo?
Siyempre yung birthday ko, sinurprise niya.
Sinayos namin, kahit na nasa shooting ako, sabi ko, hindi pwedeng walang birthday kasi busy nga si Janela. So sabi ko, hindi pwedeng walang special na celebration si Janela. So after nung, habang nag-shoot kami, tumawag ako sa mga friends ko na para tumulong sa birthday niya.
Pa-order ng Elmo. Na-touch ka nun?
Oo naman.
Wala, gusto mo siyang masaya.
Gusto mo siyang ano pa?
Gusto mo siyang pasayahin.
Wow!
Best thing about Janela is she's always being herself. She's not afraid to be herself in front of people that she may not even know, but especially to those people who she's really close. She always wants to be herself. So, syempre, you want to be yourself also. She makes everyone feel comfortable in her space. And of course, syempre, her voice.
It's just something that I want to do. Taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you.
Naman kasi yung pagiging super ko kami Janela.
Tell me that you love me too. Tell me that you love me too.